Hello guys, welcome to the SNA lecture. So in today's video we are going to see the difference between a network administrator and the system administrator. So there are many career opportunities in the IT field. So choosing a path may seem complicated, but knowing the key difference between IT positions can help you get the right fit for your experience, interest and goals. So IT has dozens of careers with several different certifications and degrees pathway to get you where you want to go. But some of jargons can get confusing. So we are breaking down the difference and similarities between the two careers that you may qualify for after pursuing the 3IT program. So what is system administrator? A system administrator is in charge of overseeing an overall computer system. They are responsible for software and hardware installation and maintenance, data backup and recovery, account setup and trainings, and basic security best practices. So, in this role, a person is responsibility for the physical side of the information technology, in addition to the software sides of the things, from computer servers and the other hardware infrastructures. They also may help install computer servers, update the computer drives and softwares, and set up new user into the system. Now, what is network administrator? Network administrator is primarily responsible for maintaining the network connectivities, like installing and supporting an organization's local area networks and managing internet systems, among the other things. So, one of the main jobs is to set up the network equipment and ensure that their network infrastructure can support users and business operations. So, network administrator ensure IT systems don't go down and figure out what causing the problems. They may also install network hardware, monitor networks activities, and report and respond to the outage reports. Now let's see what is the similarities in the system administrator and the network administrator. So although system and network administrators jobs are distinct, so they frequently overlap. Non-profits or the small organizations or businesses are more likely to have someone taking on responsibilities of both a system and network administrator. So as we have discussed earlier, what are the system administrators and the network administrators? Actually, system administrators has to play or administrate the whole system, which also includes hardware and softwares. But in the case of network administrator's main concern is to play with the networks. It also includes the internet. So its main concern is to provide the protection to the systems. Actually, to use or to protect the data from the data loss, unauthorized access or hacking or unauthorized access and all these stuff. So system administrator has include both physical or virtual, like software and hardware, as we can discuss earlier. So is to play or is to manage both hardware and software. Hardware includes some of the different things, software includes some of the different things, but in networks we have to play with the hardware mainly. So hardware or the monitor network are the activities and respond, or we have to troubleshoot that where the network lags or where the network security lags, etc. So both roles develops the support and maintain the technologies of an organization, from install to the troubleshooting. Installing includes installing is the work of the system administrator, or troubleshooting is the work of the network administrator. So both of the opportunities are important for us. So still if you still trying to figure out, so let's have take on a look again on the system and network administrator. Actually, system, the main or the focus is the main focus of the system administrator installation, okay, for your better understanding, and the main concern of the network administrator is troubleshooting. So that's it for today's lecture. Thank you.